Hello, in this video I want to show you how to put app icons into folders on XIAOMI 12T. So let's say that we want to put these three apps in one folder. We'll need to hold and drag the one app onto another, like that. We'll be able to create a folder that way, and now we simply need to drag another app, and here we have it. To customize the folder, click on it. Right here you can select the name and pick a different nickname for it. So let's go with apps. Click OK, and the name should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.